warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. If you like, if you're new, please welcome. Feel free to ask any questions or to comment, mashallah. Magacayga Safiya la dhahaa, barasho wanaagsan. Haddaad nagu cusub tahay, please subscribe and share if you like this video. Marka sirri maanta wuxuu ku saabsan tahay walaalihii hore idin jooga, mashallah. Welcome back. maanta waa ujeedin qolku waa bedelay. dadkii ila jooga hore way yaqaanaan sirteedii hore say u ekeed. sirteedii hore wax ma qabin, laakiin I had one problem with how I wanted the room. I wasn't happy about it, but now I'm satisfied my room how it came together. Because pandamigii sirta soo gatay. Pandamigii wax kasta waxay ahayn very difficult to get it, and then you can't be without bed, right? سرلام أحيان كرتيت سوي سافة أسوق تي مركا الحمد لله هذا سرته. I'm happy about it as I told. Anyway, happy about it. I am more excited like a little child. Okay, I'm happy because I've been waiting for like almost 2 years. My room to at least look like this. I changed my bedroom. What would you do? Had that again video kala kujiro meesha kasoo fiirsada sirteedii hore qolkii hore soo ekaa, because before and after I couldn't do it. Already meesha ku jirtaa sariirta, so there's no point in doing it, redoing it, and and the video one longer aan ka dhigayo. Marka qolka ani had happy aan ku noqdo, masha Allah, quruxu qolkayga ku soo baxay. I'm really glad I changed my bedroom. I'm really happy about it. meesha qolka isku soo baxay. Marka hadda waxa ka heshaan oo dhan abaayooyinka qaaliga ah, don't hesitate to ask me any question. Hadda inta igu soo qori kar snapka igu soo qori kartaan everything. I promise you I'll tell you where I buy it, how I buy it, whatever, marka inshallah waa kaasi. Don't hesitate it. Please share, like it, share with your friends, anything. I don't know how codka dhana xiran marka heerka bira ay hayo, marka I don't know how I'm talking, but I'm happy. That's the only thing I can say. My bedroom is so beautiful right now. I'm really happy about it. Before, to be honest, I wasn't happy about it. 2 years and happy with bedroom. Never happened to me before, but like in how to talk and I would add it. But pandemic actually, that was a life I will never want to go through, or anybody want to go through, to be honest. Ilahi inta haysanina hasiyo, inta haysana Allah u barakeeyo, annagana Allah noo barakeeyo. Alhamdulillah, masha Allah. Waxa waay qof walba waxa sidoo asii u sameeysto waa oo magiciisiyo. Marka alhamdulillah, shukran kullah rabbil alamin. Ilaaha ku mahadina, ku shukrina. Ilaahay caafimaadka nasiiyo, dad caafimaad la qabo. Let's mahadsantihiin. Keep watching until the end and let me know if you like it. Thank you. Bye.
not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you,